Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you guys how I use Kaolin Clay for smooth and shiny skin. So I'm going to be using this clay on my face. Kaolin Clay is one of the gentler clays out there, so I love to use it on my face. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and mix it with rose water. You can use rose water or any other hydrosol or just pure water. It works well, but make sure as usual don't use a metal bowl or spoon. By the way, I have two videos on my channel on how I use this clay on my hair and also how I turn the clay molds into powder. If you want to check that out, I'll leave the link below. I'll go ahead and add my aloe vera gel. I'm just eyeballing it, no measurements. So yeah, I'll add my aloe vera gel to the clay and just mix it up. So if you find that the mixture is too watery, you want to go ahead and add some more clay as you see me do. I just need it to have a thicker consistency. I don't want it running all over my face and just, yeah, so that's why I keep adding some more clay just to get the right consistency. I also like to add some extra virgin olive oil just to have that moisturizing effect and not get my skin too dry. Now I'm done mixing it. I'll just go ahead and apply it to my face. So yeah, this is how the mixture looks. So you may want to know why I use Kaolin Clay on my skin. So first of all, Kaolin Clay helps to remove toxins from the pores and detoxifies the skin to reveal a smooth and glowy skin. So yeah, as the clay dries, it binds the impurities together and detoxifies and exfoliates your skin. That's why after applying it, you find out your skin looks smoother and shiny. So yeah, to have amazing results with this clay, you will have to be consistent, like once or twice a week. It depends on your skin. If you find that the clay dries your skin, you will have to maybe reduce the number of times you use it in a week, and also don't let it over dry on your face. It can be a little bit wet before you wash it off. Don't let it dry too much. It's going to extract a lot of the impurities, including your natural oils, for some people but not for everybody. For me, it doesn't dry my skin, so I use it like twice a week. I don't want to overuse it, but then I let it dry very well. I like for it to dry on my skin, as you're going to see. So yeah, right now I'm just going ahead and adding the layers. I want to make sure I use all that I mixed in the bowl because I don't want to leave leftovers, because I know I'll not use it. I don't like to use leftover products, DIY products. I don't know why, it's just my thing. So yeah, I'm trying to use all of it. That's why I'm making the layer very thick. You can make it very thin or thick, depends on you. So yeah. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you for all your support. You are appreciated. Please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on your post notifications so that YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. And also give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Now my face is almost dry. You can see that my cheeks are a bit wet. For those of you who suffer from very dry skin, you can go ahead and wash it at this stage, but I just like to leave it to dry completely. So yeah, and I'll wash it off and moisturize. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.